What's up guys? Today we are looking at my top 5 picks for shred guitar, kind of like metal, hard rock, rhythm and especially lead playing. Focus mostly on kind of lead playing. So pick number 1 is the Jazz 3 XL Stiffo. It is not the red one, it is the black one. I'll probably put a better picture of it. But what I find, it has a sharp point, which I prefer for picks that have sharp points, and I think it is a 1 millimeter thickness pick, especially if you're playing a lot of like fast lead playing and stuff like that. I prefer just the pick attack and the response that you get from it. Yeah, so first pick, not in any order. So it's my top 5, not so this is just the 5th one, as is the Jazz 3 XL series. I don't like the smaller versions because I find that this fits my thumb perfectly. So that's as much as that sticks out when I pick only that much. And also, and it's not too stiff when playing strumming chords and stuff. Jazz 3 XL, very nice. The next pick that I like is the Flow series. I think it's called, I'll have to put the name on it, but pretty sure it's called Prime Tone Flow, and this is the 1mm one. So this shape is very similar to the Jazz 3, but it kind of fans out a little bit more here. So just in comparison, you can kind of see that it kind of has rounder edges here and here. This is very difficult to explain in front of the camera, but it actually, yeah, so just like this one that I like, it's etched, so there's a lot of grip with it, grip and pick attack. This one also has that same type of grip, but it's in a circular pattern, so it's more consistent, very easy to grip, like so. There is a point, but with the rounded edges, there's a much nicer, warmer tone with it. You still get the attack, but it's much warmer. It also cleans up nicely as well. think the rounded edges give it much nicer strumming feel to it. So not only pick attack, but strumming. So there is the Primetone Flow. Pretty sure it's Jazz XL type shape, but these Primetones, they're made of a different material to the traditional Jazz 3s. The next one that I like is the Gator Series, 1.5 in particular. I don't know why, but like I've tried the 2mm, 1.14, and I think there's 1.35, but 1.5 seems to be the sweet spot. These are much warmer in terms of, I can get like a Gary Moore type tone, you know? Also, these are normally rounded, but I like to sharpen the tips of it, just sharpening it with some sandpaper or even carpet or something. Get a nice tip, and you can get some cool tones. So that is the Gator series. I think it's just called Gator Grip, Dunlop Gator Grip, I don't know, something like that. The next one is another Jazz 3 shape. This is the XL series, and in particular this is the Tortex version. So when it comes to down picking style guitar playing, like, you know, James Hetfield, all downstroke, the response of this is so fast and it's so nice. Yeah, so I love this, the response of this. So it has that sharp edge as well, like the other Jazz 3s, but it's a lot stiffer. This Tortex material is a lot stiffer, so I think that's why that pick attack. So just all downstroke. You know, you can switch to a gallop, and it's so responsive, you know, to the way you play. Like, it's like, I can't imagine ever doing down picking like that, and there's less strain, you know. If you play Master of Puppets 8 minutes downstrokes most of the time, this helps out a lot for me. Definitely recommend you to check out these picks, especially with that sharp tip, and the Tortex is just amazing. And the last but not least is the Tortex Sharp. It's 1.5 millimeters. What I do is I scratch edges. So this is a completely smooth pickup. If I sweat, it tends to slide all over the place. So I've etched in some grooves to make it a lot more grippy. The thing I like about this is there's a lot more sharpness of the pick exposed. There is a danger to this pickup. If you do a lot of strumming, chances are that a large portion of the tip of the pick will get stuck in here, and you'll end up just losing the pick, you know, because the resistance of it. So kind of have to be precise when using it. It's very good for alternating because it's such a long bit sticking out. There's a lot to play with. And also it's really nice for rhythms. Also, there's a nice response to it as well. Yep. So this is one that So the ones that I use out of these, I guess general use, I'd use the Tortex or this Jazz 3 Stiffo, just for, you know, all around playing. If I'm doing downstrokes or any Metallica songs, definitely use the Tortex. If I want a more warmer tone, so like more Gary Moore stuff, Thin Lizzy type stuff, I'll use these picks, the Gator or the Primetone Flow. And this one I'll be using for more kind of lead playing, you know. Yep, so the pick attack of this one is really nice for lead playing. So those are my top 5 picks. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed watching that video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.